I want this class to go beyond just watching YouTube videos at home and then going into your shop to try to put them into practice. I mean, the whole idea of taking a class is being able to wave the instructor over and ask them, what am I doing wrong here? So to provide that one-on-one interaction, I'm going to be having weekly video chats with each of the students. And that'll give you a chance to ask any questions that you might have, address any challenges you're coming up against, or really even, have those conversations that you don't really expect to have in a class. I find a lot of the stuff that I've learned in classes are things that I didn't necessarily sign up for when I read the syllabus. I think the group aspect of the class will be really valuable as well. So in addition to the one-on-one chats, there will also be group chats each week that'll allow me to address the questions that everyone seems to be having as far as techniques or skills or steps in the class. And it'll also give you a chance to get to know some other woodworkers from around the country and build a little camaraderie around the class. We'll also have a 24-hour chat room that's open to anyone who's in the class, so that if you feel like you're stuck on a step, you can pose a question to the group, and either I or one of the other students will be able to help you out, hopefully faster than waiting for the one-on-one or the group chats. All in all, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you're interested in signing up for this pilot class, be sure to go to my website and subscribe to the blog so that you can be the first to know about it when I open registration. And if you have any questions that I'm not addressing here, be sure to leave them in the comments below or send me an email, mark@plate11.com, and I'll either answer them in a video or I will send you a direct email. I hope to see you in class.